I'm Dr. Cathleen GERENGER, and this is Carla Gilmore. And I just wanted to get your feedback on how did you do after your stem cell therapy?
Well, I'm really excited because first of all, I had a car accident, so I had double whiplash. So I wanted to make that clear because I have been struggling, the healing process has been taking a while, and this was last May. So when I realized I could have stem cell therapy, I got really excited. So I had 4 injections into my back on either side of the spinal column into the muscle. And probably about 8 to 10 minutes after the injection, what I noticed was I was turning my head. We were preparing for an event that we were having here in the clinic, and so I was doing stuff, and all of a sudden I noticed, hey, wait a minute, where did that intensity go? It was like almost a burning pain that I had going on in my neck, and I thought, it is not there right now, and I'm like, this is really cool. So and it has not come back.
Wow.
So which is really exciting. But then probably, maybe day 4, I woke up, and it was the first time since my car accident that I had 0 neck pain.
Wow, that's amazing.
It is, and most mornings that's how I'm waking up now. But I know that the stem cells, I need to give my body time for them to do their job, and it's still really early in the process. So you can't judge it all right now. We have to let the body use these stem cells, right?
Absolutely,
so
yes.
I'm excited though because I definitely am noticing things.
Yes, and I just want to reiterate that the stem cell knows exactly where to go and what to do. So they actually seek out degeneration. So they repair, rebuild, and create new tissues.
Right, and I also had a CC put in the IV so that they could go find other areas in my body, whatever needs a little love.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much, Carla.
Thank you so much for working with Dr. Ben and bringing stem cells to our clinic, because I am so blessed and so are our patients, and thank you so very much. Appreciate
you're welcome.
You're welcome.